Hello Wanderway followers. Today, I'm taking you to one of Toronto's most magical winter events, Canada's Wonderland Winterfest. This spectacular park, adorned with colorful lights, offers delightful treats, fun rides, and unforgettable shows. If you're ready, let's explore this enchanting winter wonderland together. Snowflake Lake Ice Skating Fun. One of Winterfest's most popular spots is the Snowflake Lake Ice Skating Rink located at the park's entrance. Visitors can glide across the ice in a dazzling atmosphere surrounded by lights. Whether you're a pro or trying it for the first time, this activity is sure to create unforgettable winter memories. A park lit up with lights. Every corner of the park is illuminated with vibrant lights. Especially around Wonder Mountain and the main streets, the dazzling light displays are truly breathtaking. These lights create the magical atmosphere of Winterfest, making visitors feel as though they've stepped into a winter fairy tale. Christmas Market, Winter Delights. The Christmas Market is a winter wonderland filled with handmade gifts and festive decorations. While exploring the market, don't forget to grab a warm cup of hot chocolate. This classic winter drink, both delicious and comforting, is an absolute must-have. Rides and fun. Winterfest offers plenty of rides for both kids and adults. One of the highlights is the beautifully lit carousel, which provides a nostalgic and enjoyable experience for everyone. Tinker's Toy Factory, a colorful show. The Tinker's Toy Factory musical, held at Canterbury Theatre, is one of the most vibrant highlights of the event. With its dazzling stage decorations, energetic dances, and engaging story, this show offers an unforgettable experience for both kids and adults. Live performances. The park is filled with live music and dance performances, adding to Winterfest's energy and charm. With colorful costumes and lively choreography, these performances truly bring the festival spirit to life. Canada's Wonderland Winterfest is a unique experience for anyone looking to embrace the magic and joy of the winter season. I hope this video inspires you to visit this amazing event. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you on our next adventure. With love from Wanderway.